Tuesday, July 2nd, 2024. I am here at Dr. Slate's Marina. This is an inspection video for Shenanagans to see how long we can anticipate it would be to clean. Before I do that, I'm just going to update our zincs. We have two R4 trim tab zincs, two 2-inch shaft zincs, two R5 rudder zincs, and we have two 2-bolt oval transom zincs, and I'll show that in the video as well. I'm gonna say that this cleaning is probably gonna take at least 2 hours. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.